How to add friends in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to show you how to add friends in Rainbow Six Mobile in a simple way, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the Rainbow Six Mobile game on your device and get to the main lobby screen. Once you're in the lobby page, go ahead and tap on the two human icons at the top right corner and you'll be taken to the social tab. Click the add button at the top right corner and you'll need to go ahead and enter the friend's ID you want to add in the search bar at the top. Go ahead and enter their ID in the top of the screen. Simply go ahead and type in their ID name and tap on the search icon. Now if the ID is correct, you'll be able to see search results at the bottom. Find anyone from the search result that you're looking for and tap on the plus icon right next to their name, this one over here. After you do that, you will be able to send friend requests to the contact. Once they accept the request, you'll be able to be friends in the game. Then you can invite them to your squad and play together in matches. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.